CNC machining is a type of manufacturing where parts are made with the help of digital codes. It has many advantages. For instance, it can increase the speed of part production and save a lot of manufacturing time when producing the same part. This video will give you tips on designing for cost reduction in CNC machining. First, we need to know the factors that affect the cost of CNC machining. The cost of machining often increases with the number of axes of the milling machine, the size, weight, speed, and power. Besides, machine's configuration also determines the cost of machining. More complex the product process is, longer the machining time is, and the cost of machining will increase with it. The cost of blanks is an important part of CNC cost. Using standardized blanks can reduce the cost of material. When the processing quantity is small, the preparation of geometric models and the planning of the machining process seriously affects the CNC cost. This part is a fixed cost. It can be shared by high-volume production. When you have special requirements for CNC parts, such as precision tolerance or thin wall design, you need to use special tools that are more precise quality control, less machining speed, and more complex steps. These will affect the CNC cost. When we understand the cost drivers of CNC, we can take measures to reduce CNC cost. All CNC milling cutters have a cylindrical shape that creates a rounded internal corner at the vertical face-to-face joint of the groove. If you adjust the design to include the fillet, and it can run continuously to machine the workpiece. To reduce the cost, it's necessary to make sure the size of the fillet is 1/3 of the slot depth. If all fillets are the same size and tools changing is not needed. Too deep groove means removing a lot of materials in CNC machining. It is both time-consuming and wasteful. Try to limit the depth during CNC machining to 2 or 3 times the tool diameter, but no more than 4 times. You should avoid thin wall designs unless specifically required. So you need to design metal parts with a wall thickness of at least 0.8 mm and plastic parts with a wall thickness of at least 1.5 mm. Too long thread depth may require the use of special tools, which will increase the cost of CNC machining. So the maximum length of the thread depth is set to 3 times of the hole diameter. Precision tolerances require more complex machining processes, increased machining time, and more checks, so it is important to take care when defining dimensional tolerance for a part and avoid marking tolerances on any dimension. For internal features, precision tolerance is more difficult to guarantee, such as holes and other cavities that produce burrs on the edges. It requires inspection and deburring processes that can only be performed manually, which is costly and time-consuming, and thus costly. As far as possible to reduce the number of clamping parts, preferably only need to clamp once. Clamping action is generally done by hand. For complex part structure, it needs to customize the fixture. Particularly complex parts may need to be machined by multi-axis CNC machines. To reduce cost, you can consider putting complex part structure into multiple parts for CNC processing, and then fastened into by threading or welding. Holes can be machined quickly with high precision using standard drills. In addition, the depth of the hole should not exceed 4 times its diameter. During CNC machining, some small features with high aspect ratio tend to vibrate, and making it difficult to machine accurately, so avoid designing features with high aspect ratio over 4. The better the processability, the easier the part is for CNC processing, and the lower the cost. Metals generally is used softer, ductile materials such as brass C360, aluminum 6061 and 6075. Plastic processability depends on its stiffness and thermal properties. POM is the easiest material to process, ABS resignation. PEEK and nylon are very difficult to process engineering plastic materials. Axially symmetrical parts can be machined by using lathes or mills at much lower machine rates than 3-axis or 5-axis machining centers. Weiken is a custom prototyping service that provides cost-effective advanced manufacturing solutions for your products. Bring your ideas to life. Once you have optimized your design to reduce CNC machining costs and are ready to get a quote, please contact us.